everyone, and welcome back to my chatty, sassy channel here on YouTube, where we talk about all things luxury, be it luxury fashion, luxury travel, or life's luxuries in general. And today I am so excited because I have a very big unboxing that I have been waiting on. There's a story that goes along with it, and I'm just so excited to open this up. I have not seen this bag in person. I have not opened this box yet. This is going to be a true, completely authentic unboxing of something that I have not seen, and I really hope that I like it because I'm so excited about it, but I may need your all's opinion if I'm not 100% sure. So with that, let's get right into it and open up the item before I start talking about anything else. Let's just go. And it's a large box, so it is a handbag. This is the first time that I've ever bought a Dior handbag new in store. I'm so excited to get to see it. I don't want to mess up the tissue paper. Oh, the drawstring's tied. I got the chocolate brown suede saddlebag. I have been talking about this bag so many videos. I think that I've talked about it in like 4 or 5 videos at this point this year, because as soon as I saw this version of the saddlebag come out, I knew that if there was ever going to be a saddlebag for me, it was going to be this one. It's so pretty. Okay, so a bit of a story time as I am collecting my thoughts before I start really looking at the bag. I had tried to order this bag a few weeks ago, and it said that there was only one left, that it was in a store. It was in New York in Bergdorf. Well, I called Bergdorf and they didn't have it anymore. I was disappointed, but then later that afternoon it updated that there was one available online, and that morning there hadn't been even one online, so I immediately ordered that one. It was supposed to be delivered the next day. It didn't ship. It didn't come. We were a week on, it still hadn't shipped, so I called Dior. And they looked into it, and he said, I'm so sorry. He said, here's the situation. The bag that we have in our possession does not meet our quality control. We have been waiting to see if another one was returned before we canceled your order. We have been waiting to see if we could get another one in from Paris. We haven't been able to. None of the stores have them. This is the last one. It's damaged, so we can't sell it to you. But we can put you on a list to get emailed in case one comes back in stock. And I said, yes, please, absolutely. I got the email on Tuesday morning, and I immediately clicked on it. I clicked add to cart and I checked out. And so I have been waiting for this bag to get here. I was actually away from home. We were on a work trip for me / vacation for my family. And so I wasn't here to sign for it, and today was the very last day that they would attempt to deliver it before they returned it to Dior. So I'm so glad that I got home in time to be able to get this bag. But I'm going to need to unwrap this. I'm going to need to look at this. I'm going to need to inspect everything. I'm going to need to try my stuff on in the bag, because I've never looked at a saddlebag before. I've never tried a saddlebag before. And I have a couple of concerns with the fact that it is suede, because it is a gorgeous chocolate suede. And the biggest concern, of course, is going to be durability. Suede can't get wet. And this is a very, I mean, the suede feels amazing. It's a beautiful, fine micro suede. But even looking at the suede, it almost looks like that it's not perfect now. And that slightly concerns me. However, if I keep this bag, it's because I don't plan to sell this bag. And so therefore, does it necessarily matter if the suede stays perfect, because I know that suede's going to age over time, and that's going to be part of the beauty of the bag. but does it bother me that there may already be some signs of wear on the suede? And it might be that it's not even really wear on the suede. It might just be that that's how the suede is because it's so fine, but it's such a fine suede. And it's not showing up on camera, I don't think. But it's such a fine suede that it almost looks like there's wear to the suede, even though I don't think that there actually is. All right, so let's see what all fits in this bag, because I need to try my stuff in this bag to see if it's gonna work for me. All right, so I've put basically everything that'll fit in this bag in here. This is a regular size bag and it does not hold much. Let me just sort of show you guys what all I have in here. So I will say that the flap does fold back really easily, which is good to get access. And here's the inside of the bag. So let me start pulling stuff out. I have sunglasses that are sitting on top. I have a bag hook because this is not a bag that's gonna sit flat anywhere and it's suede, so it needs to hang. I have a lipstick that I had sitting up here, but I'd probably actually move over to here. I have my Bastia, which is sort of sitting in the middle. So I don't know if you can see in there or not, but I have on one, so bottom section of this bag. On this side I have my card holder, on this side I had my phone. The Bastia was sitting in the middle on the inside. And so I have my card holder and my iPhone. That's all that'll fit in here. This is a $5,100 bag with tax and not much fits. But it is really pretty. So let me try to do some mod shots. Let me see what I think of mod shots. Okay, so trying this bag on and walking around just with the shoulder strap, I would never wear this as a crossbody bag. I have thoughts. It's not particularly comfortable to carry. And I really kind of hate that because it is pretty, but Blake doesn't think it looks pretty. Blake thinks that it looks like, he thinks it looks like a booty and a booty crack. That's the only way to put it. And it's not particularly comfortable on my arm. The strap, the way that it drops, the way that it hits me, the way that it hits where my chest lays, it's a little uncomfortable. The other thing is that it's almost like the glazing isn't perfectly finished. It's actually, and it's not gonna show up on camera. I know it's not gonna show up on camera, but it is actually a little bit rough along here. Also, very delicate suede up against my body. And just in the few minutes that I've been holding this, it is a beautiful, stunning bag. Beautiful bag, but it was not comfortable on my shoulder. It doesn't hold much, and I think I would be scared to carry this bag. And you're seeing my disappointment in real time because I was so excited for this bag. And it had gone out of stock, and then it came back in, and then it went out of stock because it was damaged. And then it came back in. And I thought, third time's gonna be the charm with this bag. I don't know what it is with me and handbags this year. I cannot seem to buy a handbag that works for me this year. I've had multiple fails with the Prada re-edition via Vestiaire and other places. There's this bag that I've now had cancel and then it's come in, and I don't love this bag like I should for the cost of this bag. And I'm so, like, you're seeing me brokenhearted in real time because I was so excited when I started filming this video. I thought for sure that I was going to want to keep this bag because it's so pretty and it seems like it's so me. But I don't think the saddlebag is a me bag. As much as I hate saying that, I don't think that the saddlebag is a me bag. And I think that I'm going to rewrap this one up and send it back to Dior. I have 30 days to make a decision, but I think this one's gonna go back. And I really kind of hate that. But let me know in the comments down below if you think I'm making a mistake sending this back or not. With that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. This has been an interesting video for me. I was not expecting to be feeling this way at the end of this video. But I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, if I should keep the bag or send it back. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!